welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can achieve this hairstyle. This is a twist and curl using some permrods. It's quick, it's easy. Keep on watching, and please like this video and subscribe, and last thing, turn on your post notifications so you know each time I drop a video. What are we waiting for? Let's get to it.
So I'll be starting this hairstyle on freshly washed moisturized hair. I stretch my hair by putting it in 2 flat twists. So I'm just taking Take your time when you're trying to separate the twist. You don't need to rush it, just so you get the most definition. If not, the whole hairstyle is pointless. I twirl the ends till I get to the roots of my hair. You can rock this hairstyle. I think it's cute too. So now I'm going for a fuller look, so I still have to separate it. And I'm separating my hair where it naturally divides. Like I look at the hair and then where I see an opening, that's where I open it. I don't just open it like that. I examine the hair and I look for where it's opening by itself, and I just follow the hair. Just follow your hair, guys. Be observant so that you minimize frizz. Just separating it. Take your time, no need to rush, so that you can get the best results. For more volume, I'm going to use my Afro pick to raise the roots so that the hair appears more voluptuous. As you can see, it already looks fuller. That's the whole point of using an Afro pick.
So guys, that's basically it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you try out this hairstyle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so that you know each time that I drop a video. Till next time, bye guys.